The iPhone 16 and 16 Pro will be announced in just a couple weeks, and we're going to show you guys pretty much what they're going to look like. Don't forget, I will be giving away $50 if Apple announces a 256 standard version and the Pro. As you can see here, this is the 16 in blue, looking pretty good, not too bad. Next up, we have the black and the blue model. The black looks really good. It's like a matte black color, and of course they're going to do the pink. It seems like they always do that one, so you can see it here. And your white. White looks pretty simple. And the new color, the turquoise green, sorry if I said that wrong, but this is going to be the new color for the 16 model. Now on to the Pro and Pro Max. They're going to look the same, except they're going to be a little bit bigger. The Pro is going to come in at 6.3, as of before it was 6.1, and the Pro Max is going to be a 6.9 instead of a 6.7. As you can see here, the camera looks a little different. It has like a multicolor background. This is the titanium color. Looks similar, but a little different. Not a fan of that color. I'm honestly waiting for this one right here, the new brown or copper, or I don't know what color they're going to call it, but it looks really nice, and that's the color I'm going to go for. So let me know in the comment box down below, or if you're going for the Pro or the 16. Scoofy here, subscribe to the channel, and I'm out.